It says difference between billing and coding. Please define the difference in the term billing and coding. I've been titled a coder biller. Tell me about your billing role. I have had short-term positions, temporary outpatient, inpatient coding specialist was another title, coding and compliance analyst was another. All I know is I did the job. Well, coders carry a lot of hats, and I'll let everybody comment on this, but you could be hired as a coder, you could be hired as a biller. There are credentials that go with both of those. I know that Jennifer has the billing credential. I don't know, do you have the billing credential, Skylar?
Not my thing.
No. Okay, so yeah, and I haven't sat for that. I taught billing at the college, but I've never sat for that credential. So again, you as a coder, I can tell you that you have to be credentialed or you probably won't get hired. If you are a biller, or if you could get a billing job and not be certified, but it's advantageous to be certified. If you were a CPC, you could get still hired as a biller. But the certification is definitely going to mean that it will improve your income. And they are definitely sisters. They, if you do billing, it makes you a better coder. If you do coding, it makes you a better biller, or vice versa. You know what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Joanne has both of the credentials too. Laureen does too, I think. Now I feel bad that I don't. But again, you would be surprised if you have that you wouldn't be doing billing as a coder. You're going to be talking the same language. Now, coding specialist, that's just another term. These are all just umbrellas. Coding compliance analyst, you're probably working under a compliance officer, and they have you doing compliance components to your job and everything. I know that definitely Skylar has a compliance background, and so again, all of these terms are kind of synonymous. Biller and coder, when you take a course or you take a college degree in it, it's going to say coding and billing. They're going to give you both for a degree. If they don't, you're not getting what you paid for, but you don't need a degree to do those jobs. But if you choose to get an education at the college, it definitely is advantageous to you, because having a degree helps with promotions and supervisory positions and things like that. So I would say, go for it. Anybody want to add something else about that?
No, it really just depends. This depends on your employer and what they use for their terminology regarding that position. I mean, like this one, you get named everything. There's many hats that you wear, and I think really compliance analyst is more of, are they billing or are they coding appropriately? So that may be what they're talking about, because compliance is a little bit more complex. I'm not saying coding isn't, because it is.
Yeah. And CI, you might be doing some document specialist work as well. Right. that falls under coders a lot, and there's a credential for that, and yep. And people that specialize in that. So I have found working for companies in the past that what they tend to do is, if they want to give you more work or have you do something else, they change your title and make you sound more important, so they don't have to give you a raise. That and by all means, I love titles. I and I would get new business cards, and it's like, oh yay, oh, that means you're going to make me work more, right? I'm not going to get paid more, but I got this great title. So again, that happens sometimes, but Skylar's right, it depends who you're working for. Okay, let's move to the next one.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.